80 animals.
Whale.
Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? It's great to see you. We're going to learn about whales this class. Look at the picture. This is a whale. It is very large. Now, let's learn some words using pictures.
Breathe. When we breathe, we bring air into our body and let it out again. In the picture, the man breathes fresh air. Can you try to breathe deeply now? Nostril. The arrow points to a nostril. We have 2 nostrils on our nose. We smell with the nostrils. Spout. This is a fountain. Water comes out of the fountain. Another expression is the fountain spouts water. If something spouts water, water comes out very quickly.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Breathe. Spout. Nostril.
It's time to read a story. When you finish, you will take a quiz.
What is the largest animal in the world? It's a whale. Blue whales are the largest in the world. The whale lives in the sea. But whales don't lay eggs like fish. Female whales give birth to baby whales. Then they feed their milk to the baby. So a whale is a mammal, not a fish. A whale moves to the sea surface to breathe. It breathes with its blowhole. The blowhole is between its eyes and back. It's like our nostrils. When a whale breathes, it spouts water out of the sea. What does a baby whale eat? It's mom's milk. Fish eggs. Where can a whale breathe? Under the sea. Sea surface. What is true? Blue whales are the largest animals in the world. Whales breathe with their nose.
Did you enjoy this lesson? Great! I did too. That's all for today. Goodbye.